Creating an events calendar in Wix. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys on how to create an events calendar in Wix. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, what you want to do is to just look for a page that you want to add your events planner in or events calendar. So for me, I have made a separate page for my events calendar. So it's called event planner. And then from here, what you want to do is to just add elements right here. And then once you're here, what you want to do is scroll down until you see events. So just click on that. And then after that, you can add a calendar right here. So it says right here, calendar, events, bookings, ticket, and sales. So what you want to do is to just click on add this to site. And then after that, this window will pop up. So once you see this, just click on agree and add. Then after that, it will now start adding our calendar. So there you go. We now have our calendar. So to edit the details of your calendar, just click on it. Click on settings. And then from here, we can now start editing the details of our calendar. Like they also have some settings right that you can customize, the layout settings, advanced settings, the design. So for example, I'll change it to style 2. Or let's say style 4, and then there you go. So feel free to customize your calendar out, but to edit like the details or adding events to your calendar, just double click on it. And then once you're here, what you want to do is just click on add event to add an event, and then after that you'll be redirected here in the dashboard of your events calendar. So after that you'll be redirected here. So what you want to do first is to just add your event title. So for example, I'll just add a birthday party. Then after that, you can also add a duration of how long your event will last. You can also add a start date and an end date for your event. So for example, I'll just leave it at November 17. Next is you can also set it as a repeating event or change the time zone right here. And then next is you can also enter the location on when or on where your event will be held. Then you can also add a description over here, add an image of your event, changing the colors, adding a category. So adding your events to color categories and let your users classify them easily. Next is you can also add a venue right here, so where the event takes place. So you can add the venue name right here, venue phone, venue email, venue website, and then you can also add details over here about your organizer. So this is the person who makes the event, so you can add the organizer name, organizer email, organizer phone, and organizer website. So feel free to customize this section out. And then once you're done, just simply click on next. And then you can save it immediately or save it as a draft. But for me, I'll just save it. And then there you go. We now have our event. So when I exit out of here and check out the calendar, as you can see that the birthday party event that we just added is now here. And then that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to create an events calendar in Wix. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.